Good morning, students. Let's continue solving the past paper. In that third sum, solve 11x plus 15 equal to 3x minus 7. Bring all x terms one side. So here it is 3x. Bring it to this side. So how much will it become? It becomes 11x minus 3x equal to minus 7. Send 15 to the other side. How much will it become? Minus 15 it will become. So how much is it? 11x minus 3x, 8x equal to minus 22. So x equal to minus 22 by 8, which is nothing but minus 11 by 4. Clear? Now next sum. Factorize x square plus 9x minus 22. If you multiply two terms or two numbers, how much should you get? You should get minus 22. And if you add those two numbers, you should get plus 9. If you add or subtract, you should get plus 9. You need to find out such two numbers. How do you find out such two numbers? By taking LCM of it. Take LCM of 22. How much will you get? 2 into 2, 11, 11, 1. So 11 into 2 is 22. 11 minus 2 is 9. You want plus 9. So it has to be plus 11 minus 2. So in place of plus 9x, instead of plus 9x, now I will be writing plus 11x minus 2x minus 22. Clear? Instead of plus 9x, this time you will be writing 11x minus 2x. Now from these two you will be taking x common. X plus 11 you get. Here also same you should get. So first only you write the same thing, x plus 11. Now from minus 2x, x has gone inside. So what is left? Minus 2. Write that outside. Now again x plus 11 common. From this term x plus 11 has come out, so it's only x. From here x plus 11 has gone out, so it's only minus 2. So this is the answer. Now next one. Solve x square plus 9x minus 22 equal to 0. So I use the previous bit answer here. In place of this entire thing, I can write now x plus 11 into x minus 2 equal to 0. This entire thing will be equal to 0 when x plus 11 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. X plus 11 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 11 or x equal to 2. So these are the two values of x. Next one. Rearrange y equal to 2 into x minus a by x to make x the subject. Whenever it's like this, fractions cross multiply. So how much do I get? Yx. On the other side, 1 into anything same. Multiply with 2 here. So you get 2x minus 2a. Bring all x terms one side. So I am sending it here, x term I am taking it here. So it becomes 2a equal to 2x minus yx. To make x the subject, take x common. So how much will you get? 2 minus y equal to 2a. You need x the subject, so send 2 minus y to the other side. So 2a by 2 minus y is the answer. Am I clear? Next sum. Simplify x square minus 6x by x square minus 36. In the numerator, what can be taken common? X. From x square, x has gone out, so it's only x is left here. Minus from here, x has gone out, so it's only 6. In the denominator, what can you do? 36 can be written as 6 square. Now it is of which form? Now it is of a square minus b square form. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. In place of a, what do you have? X. In place of b is 6. So it is x into x minus 6 by a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. Now if you look what gets cancelled, x minus 6 gets cancelled. So what is the left out? X by x plus 6 is the answer. Am I clear? Look at next sum. Complete f of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 15. Complete the table of values for y equal to f of x. So it's missing over here and over here. To get the y value here, y equal to f of x, which is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 15. To get this value x should be replaced by minus 1. So it becomes minus 1 whole cube minus 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 15. So how much will it become? Minus 1 minus 4 plus 15 will result in 10. So here 10 you need to place. Next, to get the value here, this time x should be replaced by 2. So replace it by 2, how much you get? 2 whole cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 15. Same like functions, in place of x put 2. So it is 8 minus 16 plus 15. So you get 7. So that 7 needs to be placed here. Am I clear? Now next. On the grid, draw the graph y equal to f of x between this. I want you to show all these points in the graph and draw the curve. Since it's not clear, I won't be drawing it. You'd take a graph paper, show the points, join the points. Okay. Once you have drawn the graph, let us see sums on the graph, sums using graph. Use your graph to solve equation f of x equal to 0. See, for this side you have the graph. For this side also you need to draw the graph. Wherever those two meet, that will be the answer. So this equal to y. And even this one is also equal to y. So y equal to 0 is nothing but equation of x axis. And this is the graph. So wherever those two meet, that will be the answer. In the graph, let us say curve has gone like this. This will be the answer where the curve and the x-axis meeting. That is the answer. Only one place it's meeting x-axis. So the answer that you need to get is approximately between minus 1.7 to minus 1.55. Okay, now next one. By drawing a suitable tangent, estimate the gradient of the graph when x equal to 3.5. What is the gradient or slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. To find the slope, how many points you need? 2 points. So 1 point you take this one itself, 3.5. So when x is 3.5, how much will y be? You can take it from here. For better accuracy, to get the answer close enough, you take this point itself. And another point will be at 3.5, you draw the tangent to the curve. On this tangent, you take another point. Anywhere you take a point on the tangent, and that point you place it here. So now this becomes x1 y1 and this becomes x2 y2. Place in this formula, you will get the slope. You should get the slope between 6.5 to 11. Am I clear? For better accuracy, take 3.5 to be one of the points on the tangent, and other point, it's up to you. You choose anywhere on the tangent and place in this formula, you will get the slope. Now next one. By drawing a suitable straight line on the grid, solve the equation. Again, to solve this, I need to use the graph itself. So I need to change this to this form. So what is present here at the starting? X cube. Here also x cube, well and good. Next, minus 4x square. So here also minus 4x square, well and good. Next, what do I have? 15 here, but I don't have 15. So whichever terms you don't need, send them to the other side. like 2x and 5. So minus 2x becomes plus 2x, plus 5 will become minus 5. Now what number you need here? Look at this. You have graph for this, so you need plus 15. So add plus 15 on both sides. So how much will you get? X cube minus 4x square plus 15 equal to 2x plus 10. Again, for this side you have a graph. For this side also you need to draw the graph. Wherever, for this it will be a straight line. Wherever the line meets the curve, those three places you need to write. How do you get the points for this? If y equal to 2x plus 10, you need points, so x and y table. To draw the straight line, 2 points are enough. So when x is 0, how much will my y be? 10. If my x is 1, y is 12. So the points are 0, 10 and 1, 12. Show these 2 points and draw the line. And this curve will be somewhere meeting in 3 places. So these 3 will be the answers. It's an approximate diagram, not the exact. Here 3 values of x are given. That means curve and the line are meeting in 3 places. So those 3 points, x values you need to write, not the values of y, values of x, because x equal to is given. So you need to get your answers to be first x value between minus 1.3 to minus 1.1 you need to get. And second x value you should get 1, exactly 1. Third x value you should get between 4.1 to 4.25. Draw on the graph paper clearly, you will get the answers. Am I clear?